Hi, welcome to Oil Camp today. Today we are going to be discussing doTERRA's Oregano Essential Oil. Oregano is an amazing powerhouse oil and it is included in your top 10. Generally, when I would talk about oregano, of course we might be in the kitchen because we would think about oregano and use for cooking. Today I'm actually in the bathroom because we're going to be discussing other ways to use oregano essential oil. Oregano is an amazing cleansing oil. It has great purifying benefits and is also really good for the digestive tract. Now, how would you get all of those benefits? You would do that by taking it internally. You would do that by using a veggie cap, and you would just drip the essential oil right into the cap. You know what I love about essential oils? You know how the molecules that make up the essential oils are so small that they can actually pass through the oily membrane and the outside of the cell, meaning they can get to the threat that resides inside of the cell as well as outside the cell. So if you have some kind of threat in your body that you would generally want to take something for, instead of trying that other go-to, you could use oregano essential oil. It is a powerhouse in helping with those internal threats. So you would take that consistently, morning and evening, for up to 10 days. Similarly to taking some other go-to for that inside threat, you would only want to take that internally 10 days because otherwise, if taken longer, it can destroy your healthy gut flora, and of course we wouldn't want to do that. But another great way to use doTERRA oregano oil is topically. This is my Oregano Rollerball, and to do that you would use our fractionated coconut oil. You put the drops of oregano essential oil in your rollerball and then fill it almost to the top with the fractionated coconut oil. You can apply this to your feet daily when those threats are going around, perhaps your family or the workplace, and it will also give you those benefits. It is great taken internally again for, when you do repetitive motions and perhaps this part of your arm gets sore, you can take oregano internally to help with those repetitive wrist and arm issues. You can also take it internally combined with lemongrass, and it can help with urinary tract issues. Oregano is a powerhouse. It is also amazing for when applied directly to the top, the crown of your head, can help eliminate feelings of overwhelm. So not only for physical issues, but emotional issues as well. I hope you'll pick up your oregano essential oil. Don't be afraid. It can be a hot oil, so keep in mind when using oregano topically, you'll want to use the fractionated coconut oil to give you that protective barrier. However, if you have unsightly skin issues, then sometimes we get them on our hands here, or sometimes on our toes or the bottom of our feet, you can use oregano essential oil to actually remove those. You would surround the area with fractionated coconut oil and then apply the oregano essential oil directly to that unsightly skin issue, and it will turn black and fall off within a couple weeks. Again, consistency is important. 2 or 3 times a day, you will get great results. Join me, won't you? Try using your oregano not only for cooking, but for some other health issues as well. Thanks, and see you next time.